Hey guys, how are you? So just a quick little tip that you can do if you are a DIT. In this case, I'm also the cinematographer, but I also do like DIT work, which is the labeling, and this is only for organizing your files if you're sending your files out, to an editor, either to a different country, a different state. So I thought maybe it would be a really useful, tip to kind of share with folks. Majority of the editors that I do work with enjoy this flow. They understand it. Everything is kind of organized. Okay, so let me tell you how my screen is kind of organized. I have the main drive here. Then the folder 2, which you see here, is all my sound files. All these. Down here is my video preview. On this side, we have the actual footage. I want it to be easy, accessible when I'm dragging things into its folder. First, I open up the video file, which here is this one. And then I basically just forward it to, because we're using a phone slate here. We have like episode 13, Risky Business here. So what I do is I open episode 13. I kind of just expand it. Oh, by the way, I also have it in like list, so it's easier to drag things rather than having it bulkier. The reason why I have it on episode 13 is because this particular clip belongs in episode 13. Because we're shooting everything out of sequence, it's important on your slate to have the title of the episode in this case. And it reads here, scene one, take one. But just to be on the safe side, I do listen to when the guy does say it.
Scene one, take one.
Okay, so he's saying scene one, take one. So what I do is I just write in scene one, take one. And then what I like to do is I go over that one and then I highlight it and I copy it. So the reason why I copied it is because the next clip most likely would be either take two of the same scene. So like I said, it's the same episode, same scene, but it's a different take. So what I like to do is just hit enter, command V, and take two, enter. So that just saves like a whole lot of time instead of retyping it. And then same thing goes for the audio. I just listen to it.
Episode 17, 6 go, scene 3, take 2, mark.
So this one is scene 3, take 2. The last part we're going to do is just highlight these two files, and I drag them into episode 13 under footage. So it goes out from here and into this folder. Like this method works like a charm, and editors get the hard drive and they open it up and they're like not confused. So it's all about staying organized. Do what's best with the editors that you work with, and I hope this video helps. See you in the next one.